surprise. My God, ita kurte.
Yes,
Wow, thank you. My
Happy
God.
Mother's Day.
Thank you very much. It's a big surprise. It's a big experience here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Mao pa nga kulop Ma'am Diling.
Yes.
May da-delivery, ma'am.
May dapo delivery, ma'am.
Pa-prepare na lang cash, ma'am. Pa-prepare na lang payment. Pa-check anay, ma'am.
Oh, may dapo kuan, ma'am. By balance pa po ito. Dire pa ya fully paid. Oh. Pero pakita na lang, ma'am, kung ano yung kuan. Ada sulod, ma'am.
Oh my God! Ay! Wow, thank you very much.
Ano, ma'am? Na-surprise ka, ma'am. You're so happy, ma'am.
my-
Happy Mother's Day in advance,
Oh,
ma'am.
oh my God, ita kurte.
Ay, nato, mamusay ka man lagi, ma'am. Naka-prepare, ma'am. You're so happy, ma'am.
Oh my God, it's a big surprise. My God, ita kurte.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. We are Flowers and Bubbles. So we are here, ma'am, to send you this surprise gift from your son and daughters from Canada, ma'am. So we have here, ma'am, flower, ma'am. Fresh flower po. Mixed flower po. Roses po. Red roses and white roses. And this one, the latter po.
Wow, thank you. My
Happy
God.
Mother's Day po. So,
Oh,
and then, you have also customized Mother's Day balloon. At syempre po, meron din po kayong Goldilocks cake. Yes po, ma'am. And, of course, meron din po kayong brown egg.
wow.
Fresh from the farm. Ka-farmer's idea. Yes po. Ilalagay ko po muna dito.
Oh my God.
Ma'am. Happy Mother's Day again, ma'am.
Thank
in
you very
advance.
much. It's a big surprise.
At hindi po yan makukumpleto, ma'am, pag hindi natin basahin ng letter from your son and daughter.
Holy.
Ito po. So, ito po. Nay, you mean everything to me. Thank you for your endless love, your patience, and all the sacrifices you've made. I'm forever grateful.
Oh.
Wishing you a beautiful and relaxing Mother's Day.
Oh,
We
thank
love you. From Christian, Crystal, and the Apos. Ayan po. Happy Mother's Day, Nanay.
Thank you
Yes,
very
ma'am.
much. Oh my God.
Advance nila, ma'am, para lalo kayong ma-surprise. Kaya in advance nila yung Mother's Day celebration po para sa inyo. Lagay ko ulit dito, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. So, ano po yung masasabi niyo, ma'am, para sa mga anak niyo na nag-surprise
Oh
sa
my
inyo ngayong Mother's Day? Yes
thank
po.
you very much, Christian, Crystal, Chay Chay, and to all my granddaughters. Thank you very much. It's a big surprise. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kaya pala warak pa. Warak niyo palakta.
You're loved, ma'am, by your son and
Yes,
daughter.
I know. I know. Thank you
So,
very
you're happy,
much.
ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay po.
First, it's a big experience here in the Philippines.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you very much sa iyong
Welcome po.
atanan.
Thank you po.
My God, ita kurte.